After trying couple of ROMs in my Poco F1, I decided to give it a shot to the SyberiaOS because the pixel experience is minimal and MIUI isn't what I wanted in this great device. SyberiaOS is the same as the pixel experience with some tweaks that everyone likes. So after trying this ROM for almost a month, here is the review of SyberiaOS. The installation process is quite simple. Just clean flash the zip file and Google apps that you like using TWRP. Starting the review up with the performance. This ROM is great in terms of performance. All the apps open fast and the game runs buttery smooth. My gaming experience on this device is great, yet there are some issues with the PUBG. Sometimes the mic is not working in the game, so I need to plug in and out hands-free several times to make it work. So if you are a heavy gamer, then don't flash this ROM till the issue gets resolved. Coming to the battery life, this ROM gives you the best battery life in any custom ROM. I am getting around 8 hours of battery life with 2 hours of PUBG, 3 hours of Wi-Fi hotspot and 4G all the time, which is insane if you ask me. With this ROM there are bunch of features that I like. The gestures are great. It's more like OnePlus gesture and it's definitely better than the MIUI gesture and Android Pie gesture. The extra customizations are like topping on the cake. There are separate sections on the setting menu which lets you customize the notification panel, navigation bar, status bar, lock screen and more. The fingerprint works fine and also IR face unlock is now supported, which is pretty fast and 99% of the time it's accurate. But it's not secure. I don't know why, but it even unlocks the phone by scanning the face of my friend, which is a weird bug that I found. Talking of the major bugs, the video recording doesn't work and mic is not working in the PUBG Mobile, which are major bugs that I found. So if you are a gamer or record videos, then don't flash this ROM till developer fixes this issue. The small bugs like notification overlay are still present after an update, so hopefully these issues will be get fixed in the next update. Okay, that sums up the video, but before we do that, here are the benchmark score of Antutu and Geekbench which we tested earlier. We don't rely on benchmark, but you guys might be interested in it. If you have any question regarding this ROM, then comment section is there for you. Let me know what do you think about this video, subscribe for more such ROM videos in the future and we'll see you guys next week.